about format string vulnerability. A format string vulnerability occurs when user-controlled input is passed directly to a format function like printf, sprintf, fprintf in C or C++ without proper validation or sanitization. Instead of treating the input as data, the function interprets it as a format string, allowing the attacker to manipulate memory or read, write attributary data. If an attacker inputs some like percentile %x, percentile %s by reading arguments from the stack, uh, which memory locations has been accessed by the attacker by reading the arguments from the stack. We are to simulating we have more dangerous input like percentile %n can write a percentile %n. Here the stack is from higher address to lower address, and we do have double 4.5 and int 3, double 3.5 int 3, and argumented with the positions of 1 to 4 and up to n. The stack layout for my print 2 to 3.5 to 4.5. Here the format string is octadecimal 6000 and simulating a format string, and we do have a Python script. It main impacts the information leakage like stack data, memory addresses, application crashes like denial of service, attributary code execution. In severe cases, potential escalation to full system compromise. This is the whole Python code. We do have import C types and the function different the function vulnerable function, and we have user input simulating an unsafe printf like behavior, and memory leakage simulation using this function format string attack, and simulating leaked memory address, the memory which has been leaked through the stack, and we are printing the stack contents. Here we do have a for loop, the leaked memory. In this for loop, we have to print the vulnerabilities. Calling of main function, performing format string, attack simulation, simulating an attacker controlled format string. It is the input, and calling of the vulnerable function, it can redirect to here. And finally simulating the leakage via format string vulnerability. It is the missing arguments, and this is the whole vulnerable program stack layout. Using the format string vulnerable to change memory, and the breakdown of format string. Here it can break down of format string, and the explanation of attack. The attacker provides an input containing format specifiers percentile %x, percentile %x, percentile %x. If the application improperly passes this input to a printf-like function, it interprets the format specifiers and prints unintended stack contents. The simulated format string attack function. Here this simulated stack content string in the Python code itself. It can stimulate the memory leakage via format string vulnerability. It demonstrates how memory address could be leaked. It can demonstrate it. And let us see about the whole Python code and execute it. Here we do have a stack memory that execute it. Yes, performing format string attack simulation, leaked memory of x0 to 3, and this is the leaked memory. This is the whole process of format string attack. And by how to prevent this format string attack? Always use format specifiers explicitly, %s and sn printf. Use secure functions. Input validation and sanitization mandatory. Compiler flags and static analysis tools to detect such vulnerabilities. Thank you.